In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to solve the EA download error. This error can show up for games like Sims 3, FIFA 23, or just in general when you can't download a game. Okay guys, let's get started. So the first thing you want to do is right click on your EA app, go to Properties, then go to Compatibility tab, and at the bottom here, check the checkbox that says Run the program as administrator. Click Apply button and OK. Now, if this still doesn't help, go to the Start button and type Run. Once you type Run, this box will show up. And in this box here, start typing %local app data %. Now, go ahead and press Enter or click on the OK button. Now, in this directory that shows up, go ahead and scroll down, and we're going to delete 4 folders. These folders are EA Content _ Microsoft, EADesktop, EALaunchHelper, and Electronic Arts. So go ahead and right-click on each one of them and select the Delete option. So here we're deleting all 4 folders one by one. Now, at this point, for most people, the EA download error will be fixed. But if it's still not working, you might need to restore some of your DLL files. So go ahead and go to Google, type DirectX download, then go ahead and navigate to the first search result, DirectX. Then on this page, scroll down where you have the red download button and go ahead and click on the download button. Once the file is downloaded, go ahead and click on this setup file and go ahead and go through the installation process, which is basically just clicking the next button a few times. Now let's go back to Google again, and this time type Microsoft Visual C++. Hit enter, go to the first search result. On this page, scroll down to where it says x64 link. Go ahead and click on that and download the file. Same thing here. Once you download the file, go ahead and click on it. Check the checkbox saying I agree to license and conditions and click on the install button. Okay guys, after this, restart your computer and this should fix the EA download error.